bubble games. Well, that secret is safe with me. Meet me behind the trees, shrouded in your mystery, leaving nothing there for me. That secret is safe with me. Meet me behind the trees, shrouded in your mystery, leaving nothing. I gotta get you home, get you home. I gotta get you home, get you home, and make people think that you're all alone. But it's a secret and it will be thrown under the table.
Alright guys, what is going on? This is Adam from the Ernster Sanctuary here, and today got a little bit of a different video for you guys. I'm at San Juan Airlines right now. It's a really long story. So me and my buddies, as you guys know, are taking a trip up the coast of the Pacific side. You know, as you guys know, I live in SoCal, Southern California, and so we started there, and now we're in Seattle on the San Juan Islands, or we're about to be. And we're gonna go see the orca whales. We're gonna go kayak with them, and so I spent $300 on a GoPro, a couple $100 on the ticket, and now we're buying plane tickets too because we missed the ferry on over to the islands. Missed it by 1 minute. We woke up at 3 in the morning to get here. I got pulled over because I was going too fast. So a $100 ticket. So it's about a $500 trip.
Not suck.
Yeah, he's not too proud, but we're finally about to go here. We're about to get on the islands, and it's gonna be hopefully amazing. Hopefully this is all worth it. We see some orca whales, and I'll be able to film those for you guys and share this experience with you guys. I'm really hoping I can do that. But yeah, so I guess the next clip you guys will see will be on the airplane. So we'll see you soon.
Under the table. Are you caught in an avalanche? Caught in a passing glance? Stuck between a rock and chance? Leave it up to circumstance. Are you tired of working with your hands? Living off the land? Stuck between a rock and chance? Leave it up to circumstance. That secret is safe with me. Meet me behind the trees, shrouded in your mystery, leaving nothing for me. That secret is safe with me. Meet me behind the trees, shrouded in your mystery, leaving nothing. I gotta get you home, get you home. I gotta get you home, get you home. And make people think that you're all alone. But it's a secret and it will be thrown under the table. Snuck you out the back door, just like last night and once before. You said that your days have become a chore, and you came to me for something more. I gotta get you home, get you home. I gotta get you home, get you home. And make people think that you're all alone. But it's a secret and it will be thrown under the table. I gotta get you home, get you home. I gotta get you home, get you home.
Alright guys, so we are here on the islands of San Juan. Me and Kirky and Eric.
Made it.
Caveman and, well, you know. So yeah, we're here. Hopefully we see some orcas today. We're banking on that. So we just got a quick little walk to downtown. Oh, look at that. The Orca Inn, that's a good sign. I'm filming a wildlife documentary.
Oh, right. It's quality.
A few moments later.
Wait until you get about 30 feet away from where we are right now to back paddle. Now you can drop your rudder. Good.
People in the front, please don't get in yet. I believe in my strength, but I can't lift that boat with those people in it.
Make sure your feet on the television. Oh, we'll get this. Watch you. That feels great. Okay, we'll do some adjustments on the water.
You're like, I know that that's straight.
And then wait until you get about 20 more feet, and then you can use your pulling that white cord behind you, Kate. The white cord that's right behind you on the right. They take the knot and unclean it. Let it drop. Oh, unclean it completely. Just let it drop. There you go, you're in.
So this one can definitely go.
Should I get in also?
No, not quite yet. Cool. So get your spray skirts on there.
Wait for me to get on the line. I will be fast.
Yeah, you can tell he's huge.
One is a baby.
Baby, yep.
Yeah. They come out at about half the weight of their mothers.
Yeah, they're fat.
They come out so fast. Yeah, so that little grayer one is a baby.
It is a natural environment.
You can tell they just kind of don't care.
Yeah, they're like, whatever, see ya.
But I've been near seals where I'm 4 times this distance away.
And they bolt. Oh, there he is. Oh my gosh!
Cool factoid, J-Pod is led by Granny, who is about 105 years old.
Bruh. Wow.
It's about 20 years older than most females. They had a picture of her back in like the 1900s, and it shows her saddle patch well enough for them to identify her.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bruh, you mean to tell me that hold up, let me look this up. SeaWorld claims, okay, I don't know if you guys can read this, but I'm editing this video right now, and you know, that's just a funny little thing that I noticed. What we do know, this is on the SeaWorld website, the data we do know show that killer whales at SeaWorld are living as long as their counterparts in the wild. In peer-reviewed studies, scientists estimated that the average or mean life expectancy for a female is 30 years, and male is 19 years in the Pacific Northwest. Interesting. Granny's 105. For whales in southeastern Alaska, the maximum longevity appears to be in the 50s for females and late 30s for males. So in those two areas of the world, female killer whales live around 30 to 50 years, and males live around 19 to 30 years. SeaWorld has several killer whales in their 30s, and one that is close to 50. That's just kind of funny to me. I don't know if you guys support SeaWorld. I surely don't, and you know, that's just another fact of their lives right there. So yeah, keep enjoying watching the video. I'm still editing this right now, so yeah, hope you enjoy.
Driver's side of the trailer, and then come back, feet are both back.
Under the table.
It's really cool.
you caught in an avalanche? Caught in a passing glance? Stuck between a rock and
Yeah. This thing's supposed to be waterproof, so it's fine.
stuck between a rock and chance. Leave it up to circumstance. That secret is safe with me. Meet me behind the trees, shrouded in your mystery, leaving nothing for me. That secret is safe with me. Meet me behind the trees, shrouded in your mystery, leaving nothing. I gotta get you home, get you home.